Absolutely terrified. I heated these both up. Now it's time to attach, and I'm not ready. I literally don't even know where to start with this. Literally don't even know where to start. Kate? Oh, everything is so cracked. This went like completely cracked in half, so I'm trying to fix it. Don't know if I can. Okay, I'm going for it as quick as humanly possible because this is terrifying. Everything's cracking, it's all breaking. Let's just... Ready for everything to fall apart? Oh God! Oh no. Okay, I'm part way in. At a complete loss now, absolutely terrified. The gloves were too big, guys. I messed up.